Yo guys, welcome back to the kitchen. I'm glad you're watching this video. I truly do appreciate that. And with today's video, I have a couple of things. Firstly, I just want us to dive in the trade setup that we had today that could have made me plus minus 10,000 Rand on my XM account, plus minus 20,000 Rand on my FxPro account. That's very possible, right? And this trade setup was an A+ setup, so I'd like for us to go through it and how I missed it. I'm gonna go through my trading journal and see what I had for today. Watch list, Nasdaq, economic events, FOMC, high impact news, and daily buys for Nasdaq was sells. And then levels to watch, this was my golden zone, which was the entry point I was supposed to have. So you can see here, daily time frame perspective breakdown, 4-hour breakdown, 1-hour breakdown, 15-minute time frame entries, confluences, and all that stuff. You can see this was the idea that I had, and you can see that I was looking for sells, and you can see that I was aiming for a sell directly by the golden zone. Now let us take a look at this trade setup, how it went. Ideally, my entry was supposed to be here and obviously just target all the way towards the 161. But I would have been definitely happy with the profits that I would have made by this point, which was going to be my target with the Asian low, right? So now, as much as I'm giving you a full breakdown, I'm also revealing the kind of strategy that I'm using. If you have any idea, trust me, learn this thing, master this thing, you're gonna make money, right? But nonetheless, we had a beautiful golden zone entry, and I was going to trade this with everyone in the group, which are the chefs. Now, the unfortunate part was that while I was still waiting for this, I was still working on the journal. And by the time that this happened, I was really, how do I put this? I was skeptical about entering because I was afraid that I'm going to enter and then the market does something else. But yeah, it happens. We missed out on the trade. And I told the chefs that it's okay. We missed out on the trade. We still have a pending order directly there. But now the issue is the time that this is happening. Had this came earlier on during the time, and we would have executed more sales from here. But the issue is we can't enter this trade because 8 o'clock, we're very strict with that. We stop trading for the day, we take our profit, or we put everything on break even. So this trade setup could have made me a lot of money today. Usually that's not my normal target, but you can see from the sniper entry that we're gonna have. So my entry level was what? 875. So this was gonna be a good enough reason for me to enter. And we had another confluence here, which was a London session theory of 2, and would have been perfect. Beautiful close below, doji candle, good sign. This was gonna be a great confluence, and I was gonna take sales from there all the way to the Asian low, take my profit, call it a day. And the chefs got a really beautiful breakdown, but unfortunately I missed out on the trade. There are people who did take the trade. As you can see, these two guys, they did take the trade. One guy went full margin, and I'm pretty sure he made a lot of money from that. So yeah, nothing bad, really happy about that. On the other hand, I have some really good news for y'all. I passed my second phase equity edge account, which is a 50K two-step account. So I just completed my KYC, and I'm now just waiting for them to send through the live funds. I'll be documenting that too. I lost my 50K instant account the previous week. This week came back harder, and I have a phase 2. While we're still on that, actually, let me just go to my Evercrest and just buy a 10K instant account. I'm gonna buy a 10K instant account right now. So I'm just waiting for my dashboard to load up. Let me just log in. All right, you can see here number of accounts. 4. I just only bought instant account. You can see 2400. That's the payout I got. I'm going to get a 10K instant account with y'all right now. New challenge. Instant account, standard, static, it's not good. 10K account, first performance to run on demand. Do I want it on demand or what? I don't want wanted on demand, but I could have a really good week. But nonetheless, man, I'm just gonna get this. Okay, let's see if we do first pair on demand, how much is that gonna be? So I'm about to buy the account, and yeah, I'm just gonna press pay right here, accept the payment on my phone. This was $83.20. This is the money leaving my account, and this is my Evercrest funded account, right? So as I mentioned, the plan is to grind hard, get this payout, get my 50, or maybe just get 100. It will depend on how good I perform here. Today is a good day because, I mean, firstly, I passed my two-step 50K account, which is I have a 50K account coming. I have a 10K instant account now. I made 4,000 Rand from a 300 Rand deposit. So this is the trade that I took on US30. Right now, simple entry and straightforward. Theory of one right there. And when the market came back to this point, I executed buys. These are the buys I took after closing and everything. This is how much I made on the trade. This is me closing off the trade, and this is me withdrawing the money, and I have a pending 4,000 Rand that needs to land onto my bank account, right? So now FxPro has unlimited leverage even on indices, right? So hence I was able to flip 300 Rand into 4K, right? Now that's not the kind of trader I am, but with little money like that laying around, I can obviously have fun, right? On the realistic side, you wouldn't be able to do that every day unless you catch such trades, and it's FOMC. And I was thinking of holding it, but I was like, man, I'm happy with 4K for today, because really I didn't trade today, right? So 4,000 Rand a day realistically is a lot by end of the month. But needless to say, man, that's what I wanted to say. Day 4 has been really good to me. Looking forward to seeing what the journey has for me, man. And big shout out to everyone that watches my video, likes, comments. I truly do appreciate you. And we hit 1K subscribers. So I did not want to trade FOMC, but my boy right here, Regal, gave out a signal on his channel. I was like, you know what? Let me just do it, man. Sacrificed 500 Rand, made 4K profit, and this is the current balance. So I made another 4,000 Rand. That means today I made a total of 8,000 Rand profit. Wow. Today was really a blessed day, and I'm grateful for that. And I am grateful for being able to make such amounts in just a day, right? It's pretty normal, but not for everyone, you know. But and so I'm just giving this moment, this time, to show some bit of gratitude. And for that, I would like to give away, let me see. I'm going to give away a funded account to one person, right? So one person, I'll do a draw probably next week. I'm gonna do a draw probably next week. Give away an Equity Edge account, Evercrest account, and 1K Rands. 1,000 Rands to one person. So, hey man, make sure you sub up, make sure you comment, make sure you like, and you could be that potential person. I will be posting about it on my TikTok, on the Chef's channel. Looking forward to seeing who the potential winner is going to be. And guys, really truly grateful for the 1,000 subscribers, and thank you for being part of the journey. Looking forward to grow and become one of the best in South Africa to ever do it. I am already a really good trader, just that now I'm full-time. But yeah, man, yeah, let's see what day 5 has.